Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Mermaid Scoop Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the Scoop Marble today, I'm going to be using Orly Indigo Skies, which will also be my base color, along with Stratosphere from the Cloudscape collection. I'm also going to be using Alloy Matey, as well as having a Smeltdown from the Melting Point collection. Once I have my base color applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. I have a lid that I'll be using to put the polish out, and I'm going to basically make a pool of each color, enough polish to do several nails. Then I'm going to swirl them together and scoop onto my nail. I know I had a whole bunch of the darker blue down, but you can barely see it, but I hope it comes out again. Whoa. That was a lot more than I wanted. That's fine. Don't worry, it's fine, chat. Oh no. Oh no! Chad, I've made a grave mistake. Such a grave mistake. Oh no. Okay, it's okay. We're gonna... Okay. Chad, don't worry. Okay, we're gonna... fine. We're gonna put more polish on it. That's gonna solve the problem. If it doesn't look cool, just put more polish on it until it looks cool again. Okay, we're making a bad decision. Maybe it's a great decision. We'll find out in about 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. I obviously had some issues with the index nail as I put it in a bad position while I was working on the thumb. And honestly, I don't love either of them. So I'm going to make a potentially poor decision and mix up another pool of colors and add more polish on top of the existing polish and across my fingers. I'm going to use a Q-tip for any large areas that happen to be outside of the latex. Then I'll be using my usual small brush dipped in acetone closer around the nail. Finally, once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and overall I'm pretty pleased with how these turned out. I do have a couple of favorites, including my left middle and my right ring finger, but overall I think the entire manicure turned out great, even though it did need some polish surgery. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, including that polish surgery, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.